$100 billion is coming into Bitcoin now that the ETF is approved. It's a done deal. Oh my God. What's the price going to be? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm here joined with Maurizio, Mr. M. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having me.
I'm 5x5 here in Dubai. Man, you're in Dubai as well. Oh, man, this is a great week, surprising week for me. I lost a bet. We had a bet for one pizza that the ETF, I was betting that the ETF would not be approved, and he was betting it would, and he has won. So yeah, maybe I'll do some videos on my Instagram of me eating a broccoli pizza.
By the way, side note, someone was talking about a sushi bet on Twitter and was like, hey, we have a pizza, me and Da Vinci, man, level up your game. Pizza is bigger than sushi.
Exactly. So with that said, right, everybody wants to know how much money is going to be coming into this ETF. But before we talk about that, we have a new exchange that we have done some research on. And we believe that this is an exchange that you should try out and you should actually trade on. And it's CoinW. So if you head over to coinw.davincij15.com, links in the description below, you'll see that they're giving away some free money by just moving $100 into that exchange. And yeah, you can win up to $500 as the maximum prize. But, there's 31 prizes of cash prizes that you could win. So might as well give it a shot. And, you can start trading at this exchange. So it's going to be for a limited time. So make sure you do so right now. But let's move on back to the news, because I know that's what you really want to hear. What's going on? How is that? This is major. Yes, Standard Chartered analysis this week said the ETF could draw 50 billion to 100 billion this year alone. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I mean, first of all, like you said, amazing win for us. Loads of rejection, so super, super good progress. And like you said, it was approved yesterday, January 10, and technically today the trade opens. So all those 13 applications or applicants now will be able to sell their products. So we will see a lot of marketing, right? I'm also suspecting a Super Bowl ETF advertisement. What do you think?
Well, people are seeing this video on Saturday, so keep that in mind. So that trade. So make sure. Yeah, it was approved on the 10th, and the trading starts on the 11th.
On the 11th, yeah.
Right. This video is published now.
Yeah. So we will see from the 11th of January volume coming in. I think 50K will be an easy target. Are you also expecting a little bit of a light pump towards the 50s? What's your view?
Yeah, I think we should see some sort of like pump today, right? And then it fizzle out. We seem to be fizzling out even now as we speak. The price is at 45,700, which is kind of odd. Ethereum has pumped heavy. It's at the $2,600 mark, which I was saying, hey, that's its target for a while now. And I was thinking, hey, you know what? It can go higher. When we looked like we were rolling over on Ethereum, and then I said, hey, if it gets up to these levels, we could take out the 25 and even the $2,600 level, and that's what it did. I was expecting that kind of pump with Bitcoin, and we're not getting it. And the reason why we're not getting it is because it's trading like a forex stock, basically. It with large sums of money, they're trying to do the best to trick the average investor, and they can do that by drawing out the wrong candles and so forth, giving you wrong signals, because they can push the market with billions of dollars, and that's just the way it is, right? And that's the way forex trades, right? When you're pushing the market with billions of dollars, it's not like you can't trade it. It's just you have to do a different style of trading in order to do well in those in the market on a daily basis, at least.
Yeah, I agree. And look at this. I wanted to share this and pick your brain here, because as you can see, January is like a 50-50 month. So we have 6 green blocks and 6 red blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the chance of going either, it's 50-50. But February, historically speaking, is one of the most beautiful months. I think it's in between February and October. Those are the most profitable months. So people were expecting a correction. maybe we'll have it in January, but hey, February should be a very good month. And then in April, we have the halving. So like you said, ETF approved on the 10th, trading starting on the 11th. I don't know who's going to sell into this thing. I'm also surprised the price is not moving as much, but I'm expecting volume coming in the next few days for sure.
Yeah, for sure. And yeah, if you want to trade this, you could do so now at CoinW, right? CoinW is an exchange where, hey, they're giving you some early birds free money. So might as well get a hold of some of that free money.
Yeah, indeed. There is going to be a lucky draw built exactly for you and your community, which is kind of cool. So it's going to start, there is a countdown. Of course, like you mentioned earlier, this now shows today as January 11th, but by the time we publish the video, will be almost time basically to win some prizes, right? So as you can see here, there's going to be a bunch of different winners. So 3 lucky winners are going to win 500 USDT. 8 lucky winners are going to win 300 USDT, and 20 lucky winners are going to win 100 USDT. So this is pretty cool. And all they have to do is register, deposit 100 USDT, and make one future, right? Contract trade. That's it. Nice and simple. There's going to be a draw, and some people are going to win some money.
Exactly. I think we're going to choose the winner. So let's, so make sure you get into that. It's going to be an awesome lottery to be a part of, right? Hey guys, we lost the recording that me and Maurizio did a while back, but I'm going to redo it right now. I'm doing it today on Saturday, and that's why you see that there's the countdown is down to 1 day and 8 hours before this promotion starts. And so I'm going to show you how to log in, deposit some money, and do a trade in this video. So let's start by registering, right? Because you need to register because, yeah, it's a new exchange. I'm going to register your account. And here we go. I'm going to do that right here by clicking register. I'm going to use my email, not my phone number. And so I'm going to put DJ15trade at gmail.com. I'm going to put in a password here. And I guess that's my referral code right there. This is, I read the agreement, send code. So I have to send the code straight to my email. All right. And then I just have to answer this question. 3 images. Okay. With glasses. There we go. Yeah. Just so that this is not spamming anybody. It has to verify this. So now I'm going to quickly get the code. And there we go. Register. And there it is. I've logged in, and now I'm going to go to my wallet and secure my assets. But before I do that, I want to secure this account, and you should secure every single exchange account with a 2FA. So account security, we're going to use Google's Authenticator. Okay, now that I've done the 2FA, right? So you have to do that for every single cryptocurrency exchange that you deal with, right? You go to fund the account. Now you could fund it with receive a wire transfer, but we're going to do funding with crypto. So I'm going to do funding with the crypto. Let's see here. Okay, now that I've done the 2FA, I've deposited $100 right into my account. You could do so by heading over to deposit, but we're going to now go over to futures trading. That's what I like to do. But you'll notice, right, once we head over to futures trading, that my account is still zero. So that means we have to transfer our funding to the futures account. And so we're going to go and do that. Okay, so now we have to come back here to transfer our $100 to our futures account. So let's change it from the funding to futures, USDT. We're going to go all transfer. There we go. So now we can head back to futures. And now you can see we have $100 in deposit here. And we're going to change our leverage from 20x, you know what, to 10x. What the heck? Let's go crazy. 25x. Yes, we will pay attention to risk. So with the 20x, right, we're gonna do a market and go all the way, maximize our potential here. You know what? We're not gonna have stop loss. We're just gonna let the market stop us out. It's a little dangerous to be trading a short here. You really should do it at a higher level. So let's do that. Let's be smart about it. We could just dump it all into the market and just let it go. But let's just be smart because the market's is not going to start dumping on us from here. We'll see it at least come back to the 61.8. I think, yeah, probably just a little bit lower than that, maybe the 50% level. Probably taking out all the stops up here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to short it at this level here because that would be the smart thing to do. So, all right. So we're going to actually not, instead of us doing a short in the market, we're just going to predict basically this is a certain level that it will hold. We could break through that, but this is a good area that we will hold the line and take the trade. So we're going to do a limit trade, right? And we're going to change the price to 42,913 position size. We're going to max it all out and take profits. We're going to take profits. Let's just say at 38,915, right? 915 for Da Vinci J15, my birthday. So that would be the take profits and stop loss. Okay, so I'm going to be selling short, right? Yeah, I'm just going to do that. Perpetual. Let's see here. Okay, let's see if my order is in the order history. There it is. And there it is. There is my orders. I only have like $1 left, right? So let's see what happens here. This is going to take a while to play out because you can see that if we do some trend line analysis, this hasn't broken out yet, but it probably should because we have gone down and the lower we've gone, we've gotten a little bit less lower than normal. So you can see that there is definitely a the divergence here as prices getting lower. The market's saying, hey, I don't know if I'm getting a little tired here, tired of going down. And so we have to say, okay, this thing is going to reverse on us. We don't know when, but it will eventually. And it may not. It may continue going down because the market has a lot of pressure, downward pressure, thanks to the ETF opening up and people are shorting it like crazy. So there it is. That's my trade. Let me see how it turns out. I will place some alarms on my phone and see how it turns out. So that's how you use CoinW, a little bit of a use case for CoinW and how you log in and start trading right away.
And by the way, it goes without saying, before we wanted to propose it and put it on the show, we've done some extensive research. They have an HQ in Dubai. We've been with them a bunch of different times, drinking some tea. So yeah, overall, super good product. We're really happy to share it with you guys.
Exactly. So that's why we have partnered with CoinW. And yeah, this show will be dedicated for CoinW.
Exactly. And we have some super creative ideas. So you want to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned because the fun is about to begin, right?
Exactly. All right. We'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
Cheers.